Hello, welcome to my channel, Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and taking good care of yourselves. So here I've come to Costco gas and I was filling gas. So it looks like my card was not working, but I used another card to pay the payment. So I got the payment done over there, and over here I was going for a car wash because my car had become very dirty with all the splashes. It had snowed so much that there was so much of splashes and I could not see my windshields and all. So I said, let's go and get a basic car wash. And I wanted to share the experience of how car wash is done over here in Parker. Hope you all like the scene, and it was very nice to go get a car wash done. I still remember when I had come in 2000 when I had my first car. I was always filling water in summers and using soap and all and washing my own car. But that time my car was a very small car and it was easy. But this car I just cannot touch the top of the roof and all. Then I said, oh, let's go and get it done in the car shop, in the car wash actually. So I came over here and it didn't cost much. It only costed me $9 to get a car wash and shampooing and drying. So it was really nice and I enjoyed getting a car wash done over here. So we have come over here to Oldnavy as I have a gift card. I got a gift card from my friend for Christmas. So let's do some shopping in Oldnavy. My favorite. Scared of real dogs, but artificial dogs, I really love them. Hi Tommy. I don't know what name shall I call him. Hi doggy doggy. How are you? Lovely doggy. Tongue is tucking out. This is the dog Tuffy. So I remembered this name Tuffy, from one of the movie which I had watched in India. That's why I called this doggy as Tuffy. It was a nice name for one of the dogs in one of the nice famous Bollywood. I am not remembering the name of that movie, but if anybody watching and if you remember the name, Madhuri Dixit was there. So that was the movie. So here I was just checking out everything and I was seeing is there any good sales and all going on, and this was my favorite thing of here to come and see the jewelry of here. So I was just looking around doing time pass, but I didn't buy any jewelry of here. I really like these earrings and they were not that expensive also. So I said okay. My daughter, when I asked, she said she didn't want, so I said okay. So I didn't buy any jewelry this time. I only bought clothes and it was nice collection. But in summer I find more good collection because now it was almost going to be spring. So I like Old Navy's summer collection. They really have a good collection of here. I was watching some socks and all, seeing some socks. So they had really cool shoes, the shoes which I like to always wear. Over here I was comparing my shoe which I had bought from Walmart. So even these shoes were good enough, but they were very expensive. And when I bought shoes from Walmart, they were quite
shopping and we bought a lot and it costed like $98 to $100. I'll show this haul in at home.
We have come home and I'll quickly show you the haul also. So this t-shirt my daughter bought, and this was for, where's the tag? Tag is here. We got it in good prices. So this is on clearance, $8.99, and it looks very nice. She really likes stripes one, but I think it's too loose for her. But I think she wanted to buy a loose one so that she could wear something. So this is the one. Anyway, we have to give it for a wash. I'll keep it over here. And this is the legging again she bought. And this is the company jogger ankle. And this was for $11.47. So not bad, it's a good one. It's nice, cozy, and nice black color. It will go well with everything. It has pockets also. Lovely. So this is the second one, and over here it is the jeans. I don't prefer these jeans because they are torn, and it's $12.99. I hate like this jeans, and it says for 12-year-old. I think this will be small. It's for $12.99 and it's a good length, but it looks like the jeans are ripped. I hate like this jeans. See, it's ripped here also, but my daughter likes, so it's okay. And then this I bought for my son. It's Oldnavy again, and it was on clearance for $9.99. Good prices. It looks like this. If he doesn't like, so I'll wear it. Oldnavy, established 1994. Then this one again I bought for my son. It's in green color. What does this say? Oldnavy, California, and there's a bear on it. How much was this? $9.99. Good prices. Again, I bought this for my son. It's a little loose. If he doesn't want to wear, I'll wear it. And then this is $7.99. Very good price again for this kind of a shirt. Really liked it. And this for my daughter. She liked the stripes and it's yellow. I liked yellow color. This is for $10 flat. Good. And this one. What is written over here? Oldnavy, California. This is again very pretty, bear, and it has gold in this one, again $10. This I bought for myself, only one. What does it say? Here's to powerful women everywhere. Yes. See, nice caption. I really liked it. And it is again for $10. It was a good price. I spent like $98.73. Not bad. $50 gift card I had, which I got for Christmas, and I spent only $48 extra. And when you spend more than $100, not 170 or 85, they give you a $30 off coupon, and you can buy anything worth of $75, and then you'll pay only $45 or $50. So this is a good coupon too. So super happy with this Old Navy shopping. I hope you all liked it. And if you have liked anything, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Catch me on TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. Love you all.